To only show brightness control when quick panel expanded in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen using two fingers to open up the quick panel. Tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select quick panel layout. Tap brightness control and then select show when quick panel expanded. Tap down button to save the change. By choosing this setting, your phone will only display the screen brightness control when quick panel is expanded. Here you can see that the brightness control is displayed below the quick settings button when you are expanding the quick panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.